Welcome to New Car Latest Update. Today we're giving you an exclusive look at the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck, a true blend of classic design and modern performance. Let's dive right into all the details. We begin with the front view of the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. This truck immediately stands out with its iconic bold grille, which brings a sense of rugged sophistication. The chrome detailing on the grille and bumper complements the vintage yet timeless design. The headlights, sharp and powerful, are a perfect fusion of modern LED technology with a classic round shape that harks back to the golden age of pickups. It's a perfect example of how GMC blends tradition with innovation. Next, we move to the backside. The rear of the GMC Vintage Pickup carries a strong, durable design, just like the rest of the truck. The tailgate is robust, designed to carry heavy loads, but it's also easy to open and close. The taillights follow the same vintage-inspired design with a modern twist. Their angular shape gives the rear a sharp, stylish look, and they provide excellent visibility on the road. The overall rear design maintains the truck's tough, work-ready image, ensuring that the GMC Vintage Pickup looks as good hauling gear as it does parked on display. Now, let's step inside the truck to explore the interior. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup offers a cabin that combines luxury and practicality. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, with a vintage-inspired stitching pattern that adds a touch of class. The dashboard is both functional and stylish, with a combination of analog dials and a high-tech infotainment screen in the center. The interior has ample space for passengers, with modern climate controls and premium materials throughout. This is a place designed for comfort, whether you're on a long road trip or taking a quick drive around town. Looking at the right side of the truck, we get a full view of its sleek profile. The body lines are clean and smooth, giving the truck an aerodynamic edge while maintaining its powerful stance. The GMC Vintage Pickup's wheels are robust and perfectly sized for both on-road performance and off-road capability. The right side mirrors are designed to offer maximum visibility, making driving this truck an easier, safer experience. Finally, let's take a look from the lift view. From above, the truck reveals its well-thought-out design. The roofline is slightly curved, giving the truck an aggressive yet refined look. The bed is spacious, providing plenty of room for all your cargo needs, whether you're loading up for a workday or an adventure. The truck's bed is built with durable materials, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks without sacrificing style. From this view, you can see how the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck combines strength and beauty in every angle. That's a complete look at the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck. Thanks for watching New Car Latest Update. Be sure to subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest cars and trucks.